Half cup soaked tuor dal for 3 to 4 hours. Salt to taste. 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. 1 teaspoon of coriander powder. 1 teaspoon of red chili powder. Half tsp of turmeric powder. Few chopped French beans, carrot, 2 to 3. Chopped tomatoes. 2 to 3 green chilies, few curry leaves, and 1 sachet of sambar masala powder. Take a pressure cooker and add soaked tuor dal. Add chopped tomatoes and ginger garlic paste. Add red chili powder and turmeric powder. Add green chilies and curry leaves. Add 1 cup of water. Give a mix. Place a bowl and add chopped veggies. Close lid and cook for 3 to 4 whistles. Turn off flame and open lid. Remove curry leaves and take off veggies bowl. Dal and veggies are cooked well. Turn on flame. Mix and mash well. Add salt. Dal is mashed well. Add boiled veggies. Add coriander powder. Add sambar masala. Mix them well. Add 2 cups of water. Let it boil for 3 to 5 minutes. After 3 to 5 minutes, turn off flame. Cover it. Heat pan and add 1 tablespoon of oil. Add mustard seeds. Add cumin seeds. Add some sliced onion. Add few sliced garlic cloves. Add few curry leaves. Mix it. Add half teaspoon of ing. Add to dry red chilies. Give a mix. Turn off flame. Tadka is ready. Add tadka in dal. Cover with lid. Tasty and delicious sambar is ready. Half cup of urad mashed dal soaked for 2 hours. 1 tablespoon of cooked rice, 3 to 4 green chilies. Add soaked mashed dal in a jar. Add cooked rice. Add green chilies. Add little water. Coarsely grind it. Perfect consistency batter for vada. Take a mixing plate and add batter. Add salt as per taste. Add few chopped curry leaves. Add some chopped onion. Add half tsp of ginger garlic paste. Add 2 pinches of baking soda. Add 1 chopped carrot. Add some chopped coriander leaves. Mix them well. Heat oil. Add 1 to 2 tsps of hot oil in batter to make vada crispy and crunchy. Mix batter well. Apply water on palm and take spoon full of batter. Apply water and make a hole in center. Perfect vada shape is given. Now slowly leave vada in oil. Repeat the process of making vada and fry on high flame. Fry until they turn into golden brown in color. Flip on other side and fry. Vadas are fried well. Remove them from oil. Crispy and tasty vadas are ready. Tasty and delicious sambar vadas are ready to serve. Do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Explore and cook.